Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of February, 2023. We're going to talk about crypto.com today, or Cronos. Tell you all the biggest reason why this market's going to go down. There's one particular day off of this price chart that I really want to focus in on to tell you why price is currently weak. Real quick, though, you guys can see I did a price prediction in crypto.com on the 25th of January, 2023, looking for price to go up. So check this out. I'm going to extend my price prediction over to the right. And you guys can see that the market hit that ultimate TP price right there on the 21st. Simple. We was already in position to capitalize off of that move in crypto.com. 14.33%. There it is. Since this particular day of the 21st, you all can tell that crypto.com has been trading down. So we actually timed where price could go before we saw the market flip and begin to go down. And people tell you that you can't do it. That's one example right there that you can. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this. The biggest reason why we're looking on the chart to say that Cronos or crypto.com is going to go down is because of this particular day, the 21st of February. Let's break this price bar down. You guys can see how wide the spread is. Market traded as high as what, almost a dime, almost 9.5 cents. But then the market closed off of the highs. Another thing that we do is we pay attention to the volume in conjunction with the price bar. An enormous amount of volume came in crypto.com on that particular day. That's the reason why we're anticipating crypto.com to continue to go lower. Now, first, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the high of the market in crypto.com to where the market got rejected. Okay, so this is where the sellers entered right here. And we're going to recognize that. So until we see price in crypto.com come back up towards 9.5 cents, if anything, we're just going to see the market continue to trade sideways or bounce off this trend line. Okay. So check this out. Which one do you think is more likely? Do you think the market in crypto.com is going to hit this trend line and bounce and go higher? Or do you think it's going to break and continue to go lower? Because this is where the overall market has found stability. Like, this is where market participants find value. The market is in balance here, meaning that there's enough individuals willing to buy and sell crypto.com there. Now, once we run out of this particular area, this price levels, the market's going to find another particular price level that it can conduct its business with the buyers and the sellers. Look at this on the monthly chart for crypto.com real quick. You guys can see here that the market currently is closing off the highs for the month of February. Get it? Simply means that sellers are here. Take a look at this on the 5 weeks, get the same type of idea. Here it is on the 3 weeks time frame too. We all can see that sellers are in the market, or at least there's no interest of buyers coming through. Look at this last completed 2-week price bar there. Like, the charts don't lie. We have seen the beginning phase of sellers entering the market in crypto.com. Take a look at this on the weekly chart. Look at how the last week ended with an increase in volume down here at the bottom of the bar. Like, charts don't lie. And one of the things I don't like is how price traded below the highs of these other weekly price bars. Now, if we would have seen the market in crypto.com close above this 8.5 cent level, then I would be a little bit more bullish. But as of right now, since we closed below it, it doesn't look too likely right now. So I'm looking for price to go down, plain and simple. Let me go ahead and put this back on the daily chart into the market in crypto.com. And this area here is going to be the newest area of resistance. Okay. So if buyers don't take price above 8.5 cents, maybe a little bit higher, we already understand that price is generally weak. So you guys can see that we kind of have a squeeze going on in the market in crypto.com. Either we're going to break that to the downside or price is going to break it to the upside. Just that simple. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart, give you all my price targets, and we'll be done. Okay. So now, so the first price target, we're going to go ahead and play a short on this one. Anticipating crypto.com to go lower. We already got our resistance area right there. around 0.086. First target I want to show you all is going to be right here around our ascending line. I really want us to see whether or not buyers are going to come through the market in crypto.com there. Okay, which is around 0.078. That's our first target. 2.5% move lower, 0.077. My second target is going to be here around 0.076. That is around 4.75%, 0.076. And thirdly is all the way down here towards 0.072. That is 8.96% lower. You guys can see it there, 0.072. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Give me your targets as to how you think the market in crypto.com is going to trade. This is how we're looking currently into the market. And the sooner we see the buyers, the better, because that would simply tell us that the markets are simply consolidating. But if we don't find buyers and it comes all the way down here to 0.072, we may need to have another conversation. But give me your thoughts. Hit the like button, set everything, also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.